Hello, our topic now is Pythagoras Theorem. Well, to start with, I'm not going to bore you with the name of the person who started the theorem because there have been a lot of arguments on the authenticity of the particular person that formed it. Some have argued that the theorem was formed by a man named Pythagoras, a Greek mathematician about 2000 years ago. Some have debunked that statement that no, it started in Babylon when some Babylonian mathematicians, some Babylonian writers formed the theorem even before Pythagoras was born. Well, that's not our concern actually, but be that as it may, I can confirm to you the veracity of the theorem. Pythagoras theorem is used to find the sides of a right-angled triangle. Please take note of it. We only use it to find the sides of a right-angled triangle. That means we cannot use it for any other shape except a right-angled triangle is fixed inside the shape. And the theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides of a right-angled triangle. This is a right-angled triangle. This side, it is this mark that shows how it is a right-angled triangle, and the side that is facing the right-angled triangle is called the hypotenuse. It is always the longest side. So this is the base and this is the height. Now this theorem states that if you square this side, it is equal to the sum of the squares of these two sides. Is that taken? For example, if you square C, this is side C, and this side is facing, that's why I put small letter C here. This is side A, this side is facing side A, that's why small letter A is here. This is side B, and this side is facing side B, that's why I put small letter B here. So this is the hypotenuse. Now, C square is equal to the square of the base and the height, A square plus B square. So that's what we have there. C square equals to A square plus B square. Is that taken? Good. Now, the numbers that satisfy Pythagoras theorem, the numbers that we use in Pythagoras theorem, we call those numbers Pythagorean triple. For example, 3, 4, 5, that set of number is called Pythagorean triple. For example, if you square 3, 3 square, that's 16, and that's 9. 4 square is 16. If you add 9 and 16 together, you get 25. And the square root of 25 is 5, you can see. So that's a Pythagorean triple. Is that understood? Now, there is one fact I would like you to know about Pythagorean triple. Any Pythagorean triple you have, you can multiply each of the numbers by another number, and you still get Pythagorean triple. For example, this 3 now, 3, 4, 5, the set of numbers is a Pythagorean triple. Now, we can multiply 3 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. We use 3 to multiply 4. 4 times 3 is 12. We use 3 to multiply 5. 5 times 3 is 15. This 9, 12, and 15 is also Pythagorean triple because 9 square is 81. 12 square is 144. 81 plus 144 will give you 225. And square root of 225 is 15. You can multiply 3 by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. So 12, 16, 20, they are also Pythagorean triple. For example, 12 square is 144. 16 square is 256. 144 plus 256 will give you 400. And the square root of 400 is 20. Can you see that? You can also multiply 3 by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 and 4 times 5 is 20. And also 5 times 5 is 25. Now, 15 square is 225. 20 square is 400. 225 plus 400 is 625. Square root of 625 is 25. So that is a fact about Pythagorean triple. Do you understand? So if you are asked to give examples of Pythagorean triple, you can just pick one set of Pythagorean triple and multiply them with the same number. You're going to get multiple Pythagorean triples. Is that understood? And let's apply Pythagoras theorem to solve some questions. Find the value of x in the figure below. This is the first question. The hypotenuse, this is the longest side, is 17 and the base is 15. We are asked to find the height of the triangle. Don't forget it is a right angle triangle. So the height will be, so we first write our Pythagoras Theorem. That will be s squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. You know the square of this plus the square of this will give us the square of this. So s squared will now be, we subtract 15 squared from both sides. This one comes to this side, it becomes minus 17 squared minus 15 squared. So 17 squared is 17 times 17. That would be 289. 15 times 15, that would be 225. Please don't subtract it, like don't say 17 squared minus 15 squared. You now say it is 2 squared. No, it is not 2 squared. You understand? You have to expand it first before you subtract. So that would now be 289 minus 225. And 289 minus 225 is 64. So s squared equals 64. To cancel square, we use square root. So we take the square root of both sides. The square root of 64 is 8. That means that the number that will be here is 8. That means 8, 15, and 17, they are Pythagorean triple. Is that understood? Look at the second question. 3 centimeters here, 4 centimeters here, x here, 12 centimeters here. We have to find x. If you look at this very well, we have two right angle triangles. This is a right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. Now, in this right angle triangle, we only have two sides, x and 12. In this right angle triangle, we only have x and 12. So we don't know this side. That means there's no way we can find it. We have to use this right angle triangle to find this side first. Once I know this side, then I will use it to find this side. Is that understood? Because this line connects the two right angle triangles together. So we have to find this one first. And don't forget that this is the right angle. And that means this side that is facing the right angle is the hypotenuse. That means to find this side now, it will be this square, the square of this plus the square of this. Since you are looking for the longest side, the hypotenuse for this right angle triangle. So the square of 3 is 9. The square of 4 is 16, as we have it here. So we have brought it out. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So we add it together. 16 plus 9 is 25. And to cancel square, use square root. Square root of 25 is 5. That means this line here is 5. So that means that this line here is 5. So if this line is 5, we can also bring out the second right angle triangle. Here, this is the right angle, the sign for the right angle, and this is the side that is facing the right angle. That means this side is the hypotenuse. You understand? So for us to get this hypotenuse, we also add the square of this one that we just got, and the square of this one. We add this together, we find the square root. That will give us the size for this angle, for this side. You understand? And that is so 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. You take the square root of both sides. Square root of 169 is 13. That means this line CD, that is x, is 13 centimeters. Is that understood? So that is all on Pythagoras theorem. Do you understand? Au revoir.